Hello uncle, hello auntie. Could you just please tell about the history of the chapel in BST colony?
History of the chapel dates back approximately about 40 years. Previously, maybe a year or there, say 40-45 years. The pioneers of this cross was one Mr. Raymond D'Souza, Mr. De Silva, then there are other Menezes people, Michael Correa, Michael Lobo's father, senior people, huh? They were actually the pioneers here who has started the devotion. The devotion in the initial stages was not in this present structure. It was an open ground where I am told that the crucifix was laid on the ground. And subsequently, some people see anything which happens new, there is always an opposition. Opposition always, whether it is good or bad, opposition is the base of any future foundation and activity. That is for sure. Be it independence, there is opposition. Freedom also there is opposition. Everything else, with opposition, something concrete develops. So, initially, the prayers, especially the rosary, there are maybe about 40-45 Christian families here, and in this particular colony, at least about 15-20 families. That first colony, there about another 20-25 families are there. So BST workers also.
Some from there also
Yeah.
come from
So
there
total
also.
you can say the
Imperial
devotees
Heights
of
also
this
is
cross
considered Imperial Heights.
are maybe at least about 50-60 families. The families on day to day, maybe about 8 families. They are representative, not the full family as such. So on every day, the rosary is conducted exactly at 7 and it completes at 7:30. It's a normal rosary, and we don't forget the sick and the invalid. We specially pray for their welfare and well-being. This is one of the core habits which we have conducted, and any birthdays and all, we wish them, we sing happy birthday, sometimes some refreshments are there. When somebody is sick, there is always a request that we pray for them at the cross, because the cross is known to even non-Catholics, brothers and sisters, that it has got miraculous qualities. This is 100% I am positive, and it is my belief. So, till today, we have had no direct opposition. There are at least 3 or 4 Hindu families which are participating on day-to-day basis. They don't say prayers as such because they don't know how to say Hail Mary, Holy Mary and all, they don't know. But they sit down silently, they join their hands, whenever we stand, they stand. So the prayers are going in a very, very smooth manner. Periodically, people bring garlands, candles are donated, and some cash box is there. Round about maybe in a year, we get a collection of maybe 1,000 rupees. Majority of the donation is my belief that it is from non-Catholics. It is my belief because I have seen them putting money there regularly. So, rosary starts at 7 o'clock and terminates at 7:30, and some people after the rosary, just for social gathering and all, they are there. Everything is conducted in a very peaceful way, and in my association with the cross, nobody has said anything untowards or unparliamentary or ungainful thing to me or to others. We are a very peaceful community here.
Father, every day when this rosary is conducted, they uh, we especially dedicate each mystery for some of the other intentions, like for peace in the world, peace whatever, like peace now in Afghanistan, accordingly as per the situation, and we pray for all those who have been affected by the COVID,
Yeah,
and we
COVID,
pray
yes.
in general for everybody, for the sick, the aged, the poor, those who are homeless, everyone in general. And even in addition to that, we also pray for the Pope and the bishops, cardinals, priests, all are
And
included.
it is common to see
And
non-Catholics brethren, they come and light the candles. Some people give me the money to buy candles and light it on their behalf. And two or three Hindu families are participating in the rosary. Means what I mean to say, see, when harmony is there, wherever harmony is there, the presence of God is felt there.
And his non-Catholic brethren, what is that? They don't know the prayers. No? So Pauline De Silva, she has this thing, what is that, sent by WhatsApp to them in Hindi or Marathi or something. They are doing quite
And
good
it is quite common that they see us using the rosary. They like our this thing, holy pictures, and we freely give them. We
So
go
I
to Don
give them.
Bosco's regularly.
So we have so many rosaries.
We have so many rosaries.
So we have-
So and they actually they like make actions of counting and really. So what happens? Rome is not built in a day. Everything is step by step. You take the right step, you reach your goal. This is what is my belief.
Thank you, Amrit. Thank you.
Yeah.